We'll guide you through how to upload Google Sheet on Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser on your computer and type drive.google.com in the address bar. Press Enter and wait until Google Drive loads completely. After that, you will see the main dashboard displayed on your screen. Make sure you are already logged into your Google account so you can access your files and features without any issues. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You will find the New button located there. Click the New button and a drop-down menu will appear. From the available options, choose File Upload to start the uploading process. After clicking it, wait until the File Explorer window opens on your computer. Now, browse through your files and folders to locate the Google Sheets file you want to upload. Take your time to find the correct file. Once you have found it, click the file to select it. Then, click the Open button to begin uploading the file to Google Drive. After that, wait for the uploading process to start. You will be able to see the upload progress at the bottom right corner of the screen. This indicator shows how much of the file has been uploaded. Wait until the upload is fully completed before moving to the next step. Once the process is finished, go back to your Google Drive dashboard and check your file. Make sure that the file has been successfully uploaded and is visible in your Drive. After confirming its presence, right-click the file to open more options. From the menu, choose Open with Google Sheets. Wait a moment until the file opens in Google Sheets. Once the file is open, you will be able to see your spreadsheet content displayed clearly. Review the data carefully to ensure that everything is shown correctly. If needed, adjust the formatting to improve readability or organization. After reviewing the content, you can rename the file for better organization. Click the file name at the top of the screen, then type a new name that suits your needs. Press Enter to save the new name. Finally, make sure the file is stored in the correct folder within your Google Drive. And done, your file is now uploaded and ready to use.